Hello, today I am going to create a program that solves the word search module from the game Keep Talking and Nobody Explodes.
Press start to play.
We see a bunch of letters in a 6x6 grid. The goal for this module is to find a word either horizontally, vertically, or diagonally. You may see some words that we can spell already, such as test, call, and timer. However, we can't just click on them since there is only one correct word for each module. The manual tells us that we need to use the letters in the corner to figure out which words we can click on. Since we have the letter T in the top left, we look at this box. Now we have the option of choosing one of the two words. Since the last digit in our serial number is odd, we pick the bottom word, expert. Since our other three letters are L, T, and U, our other words are next, north, and Quebec. Only one of these four words will actually appear on the bomb, so let's look for one of them. The word next is found vertically in the far right column. We submit the answer by clicking on the first letter of the word, then clicking on the last letter. Now our four letters are C, 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 and A, giving us the words for, listen, spell, and yes. We find the word spell backwards in the second to bottom row. We are given C, K, U, and Q. This gives us the words for, letter, check, and submit. Our word is submit in the fourth row backwards. Now we have G, P, V, and D, which gives us office, 20, Quebec, and X-ray. Office can be found in the fourth column backwards. Finally, we have the letters U, A, S, and W. This gives us the words echo, unique, find, and edge. We find echo vertically in the third column.
Yahoo!
For the GUI, I decided to have four text boxes that only accept one letter, either upper or lowercase, that tells the four letters in each corner. I decided to use a dictionary for this program. For anyone who doesn't know, a dictionary is a type of data structure that takes a key and another value. Think of it as a bunch of mailboxes that hold different data. The key has to be different for each mailbox, or it won't work. The key in this case are the 26 different letters the user can type in. Each key holds an object, which I named letter, that holds the 8 different words that can be on the module. I decided to make the key hold the object instead of the words themselves so it would be easier to pick out the exact word I need depending on the position of the letter. Once the four words are picked, a message box will appear with the four words. It's up to the user to find out which word is on the bomb. I originally wanted to have the user give the entire grid to the program, so the user doesn't have to search for the word themselves, but having to type 36 letters every time is tedious and time-consuming. Maybe when I get better, I will have the user take a screenshot of the grid instead of typing, but for now, this is how the program will be. There isn't a lot more to be said for this program since it's pretty simplistic compared to other modules I have done. Let's move on to the demonstration.
Let's go. Yahoo!
Thank you for watching the video.